And this is my first puzzle box. You can't really tell it's a puzzle box. Look, there's no things to push and pull or anything. No, it doesn't open, does it? The key is a magnet, but where can we do anything? Where is it? Where does it work? What is that? And I think that would open it. Let's have a look at the locking mechanism. So I will just lock it. I'll unlock. Let's have a look with the drawer in. Continue to watch the video to see how we made it. Would you been able to solve this? And also, subscribe if you want to see more videos. And bye. What we're doing? We're doing a video.
Yeah, we're doing a video.
I can't get it up. Oh, there it is. It's playing. She just like this.
All the way from here. All the way from this bottom end. Come on, all the way over.
Yeah, bit of a mess.
Doesn't matter if I cut the paper.
We're not using the paper, are we?
The paper's going to come off in a minute.
Can I stop?
No, keep going. Keep recording it.
It's a bit big. Oh, it's nearly getting on. It's nearly on. No, I'm trying to open this box. Something that's not opening.
Gentle.
Oh, it opened.
How did you just pull it?
Yeah.
Open it up.
I think I pulled it too hard. I pulled it too hard. You were so good. My fault.
Okay. Which hand's it in?
This one.
Not this one.
This one.
Not this one.
This one.
Yes, that one. Yeah. There we go. Well done, Griffin. High five. Get your barcode. That's 5k done. No stop.